My name is Rich Clifton. I am the product owner at R.A Jones. This is our brand new Alterion CL-170 end load cartoner. We are launching it here at Pack Expo. For this machine, we're focusing more on regional brand owners and co-packers. So the focus of this machine is flexibility. We're offering a hand-loaded end feed so customers can run anything from pouches to traditional bag-and-box to cracker slugs. Really anything that would need to go into a carton, the customer can go ahead and manually load into the bucket conveyor, which then allows the machine to auto-load that product into the carton. This machine also has a very wide range of carton sizes that it can run to allow customers to go out and quote many different projects if they are a co-packer. So cabinet-free motion control and distributed drive technology allows us to easily add the upstream transfers to this machine without needing a lot of additional space, whether it be on the upstream enclosure or even the wireway going up to the upstream transfers. Support from Beckhoff was great. So my engineering team at R.A Jones worked very closely with the Beckhoff engineering team to make sure that we were specing the right drives for this platform. This machine from R.A Jones, while we are focusing on flexibility, we're also focusing on lead time. So if there is an application out there, reach out to R.A Jones, we can get something in your facility quickly. So benefits from an R.A Jones support is always a support. Support is kind of what our number one focus is. After sales support, customization support, whether you want to add a new carton size in the future or want to do some automation later on the upstream side from a product loading standpoint. Let's say a co-packer or regional brander does purchase this machine and they have a product that they're running that does happen to take off. They need to automate the upstream process. Working with Beckhoff allows us to add transfers to this upstream bucket conveyor very easily. Traditionally in the past, we'd had to have very large enclosures to house this upstream automation components. But with the Beckhoff control systems, we can actually eliminate that large upstream enclosure to very small, we'll call it on-transfer boxes. So significantly eliminating some costs in that future edition. Thanks for watching. For more information on our new Alterion CL-170 cartoner, please visit us at rajones.com.